Hey dolls, so I am back. So I'm going to be showing you dolls how to style this bob headband wig 3 different ways. This is the last style. So I did a swoop, I did a middle part, and then I did a pushed back kind of look. So yeah, if you want to see how I styled my headband wig that is a bob in 3 different ways, then keep on watching. And also it's highlighted, so you know we had to do a little bit of finessing. So yeah, if you want to see how I did it, then keep on watching. Okay, so I still have my hair pretty straight from the other headband wig that I did, and I didn't want to you know, let it go to waste. So we just gonna get into it. Sorry I didn't put on makeup on, I ain't feeling it today. Okay, so this is from Girlygirl Wigs. This is the box, and on the inside they sent some wig caps. They actually sent 2 sets of nude wig caps, and then also the wig. So the wig comes in a bag like this, and this is a headband wig, but it is a bob. I haven't tried a bob headband wig yet. So this one is actually highlighted, and it looks like this. It's still pretty dark, but then you have like some highlights in it, if you can see. Okay, and this is the length, and it already came like with a nice little bump to it. And then this is the actual headband piece that does have the Velcro strap in the back. And then also you'd have 3 combs across the top, so you have 2 on the sides and 1 in the center. And then in the back you also have another comb, and this one does not have adjustable straps. Some of them have adjustable straps and some of them don't. So for this first style, I'm just going to literally go with what I already have, and then we'll do a swoop and everything to perfect it. So I'm just going to pop this baby on, and we're gonna see what she giving. I kind of feel like it would look better with the swoop if it was darker hair, because my swoop is not gonna have any highlights in it. So I think it'll look better kind of more so pushed back, where it just looks like a dark root. But we will see how it looks. I just wanted to try this out since I still have my hair like this. And with this style, what I do is I will kind of fold my headband and then attach it so that the headband is not so thick, and that way whenever you put your other headband over it, it's easier to hide it, because sometimes it can kind of stick out. And maybe with this you probably would want to, let's see, pull some hair up into your swoop so it can match better. Let me just fix my part. And you can do this without actually leaving any hair out, but I personally feel like it looks better when you leave a little bit of hair out, because you can have a part and put your edges down and stuff. So I'm just gonna swoop this side a little, and I'm gonna take my hair because it is longer, and I'm gonna tuck it and pin it up. I'm just gonna pin my hair up in the back, up underneath like the band in the wig, and kind of like tuck it up underneath there like so. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do my little piece of edges, and then we'll finish off the style and put a headband on and stuff. And then I want to show y'all another style. Okay, so since this hair is highlighted, I am gonna take some hair from the wig. So I'm gonna just kind of take this piece and pull it forward. And then we're gonna do swoop. Not flat iron this wig or do anything to it. This is the curl out the box. It's a little bent on this side, so I'm gonna run my flat iron through. but the rest of it is pretty much good. Okay, so it looks totally crazy and wiggy at the top, but we are about to fix that in just a second. So let me grab a headband. Since I have this red on, I just said let me just try it with the red headband, and then we'll try a different headband on as well. And that's one thing that I noticed, they didn't send any headbands with this wig, which most of the time you do get headbands with your wig, but you know, I like to use the ones that I have most of the time anyway, so it doesn't really matter to me. So I'm gonna pop this on like that, and that covers that section that was looking crazy. And then I'll just kind of fix this, and boom, she done. Like on this side I don't have no highlights, but it's kind of like it don't really matter. You could pull some hair up if you want to, but I think in the swoop is where you should be able to see it at the most. So this is so cute. Let me back up. Okay, so just for the sake of you seeing it with a different headband, I will just pop my diamond one on. I just popped this headband on, and then I'm just going back in and fixing it. I actually really like the swoop. Like, I don't even want to take the swoop away, but I'm going to show y'all another style. And just comb this back. Okay. So I'm going to pop me a part in the middle. Okay, and then you already kind of get the gist of it, but of course you will want to go in and do some baby hairs and stuff to make it look real cute. So I'm going to do some real quick. Okay, so then here is this style with the part in the center. Real cute. Y'all know how the back looks already. So, real cute. Okay, so that is that. And then literally for the last style, I would just do a straight back. So I'm just going to take the wig off to make it easier. All right, so I just took the wig off so I can kind of push the hair back easier. So I'm just gonna do a straight back look. So I'm just gonna put the wig back on, further up this time. Okay, and I already have some baby hairs down, but I would probably do some in the middle. Okay, so this is how it looks without the headband. Oh, a piece is wrapped up under there. Okay, so I'm gonna put my red headband back on. Boom. So this is style number 3. And then I will put on my other headband, because I know a lot of y'all have these kind, so you can get a, you know, good look at how it would look. And I would probably pull it back just a little bit. Okay, so there you have it. Those are all 3 styles that I would do with my bob wig. Of course, there's probably other stuff that I'm not thinking of right now that I will probably try out, but not a half up, half down kind of thing, but you know, just switching the part around or whatever in the front. And of course, you could put the part to the opposite side to do the swoop thing. So yeah, that pretty much is it for this video. And I like this wig. It's super cute, and I don't have a problem with the highlights, especially with the swoop, because I was able to make it look really cute. So yeah, if y'all have any questions, leave them down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, dolls.